Here's a great little tool. Probably for over 20 years I've been teaching this, and I think I've only had one person ever saw this implemented. It's called Speak Cells. Now I'm going to show you what it'll do, and then I'm going to show you how to put it on your quick access toolbar. Let's say that you made a mistake and you can't find out which one it was in all this data. So instead of you trying to look at your piece of paper, you look up and back and forth and back and forth. This will speak the names out to you. So you click and you highlight all of them. Then you click on this little button.
Kling, Willis, Abel, Binga, Colbert.
You see?
Divinity.
You want it to stop, you could actually come to where you made your mistake and you go, oh, and you stop it. Then you'd find out where you made your mistake, where you didn't put someone's name in. Now I'm going to show you how to put it on the quick access toolbar. Click on your drop down and where it says more commands. And you see it's accessed the quick access toolbar. It's already highlighted. So what you want to do is go up here and click on all commands. And once you see it switch there, then it's alphabetical. So once you get to speak, you see where it says Speak Cells right here? Now you can see I've already got it on there. But if I hadn't, I could actually click on it, either double click and it would jump over here, or highlight it and then click on Add. But since I already have it, that's how you put it on your quick access toolbar. Then you'll be able to use it anytime you want. It doesn't matter if you're wanting to speak the numbers out. It will speak out the numbers.
$487.50. $472.15.
And it stops the minute you click out of it.